From doctor to the star to a convicted felon, and from dancing to building his own business empire. Two separate journeys as Kababayan LA starts right now. Hapon mga kababayan, kayo po ay nanonood ng kauna-unahan at kaisa-isang pang-araw-araw na programa para sa ating mga Pilipino dito sa Kababayan LA, where we talk about issues that matter to us. And because we are in Hollywood, this issue matters to us, Karina. And I think it's not just because of that. I think it's because Michael Jackson, you know, the greatest pop star, one of the greatest pop stars of our lifetime, was involved, and he died because of this. Dr. Conrad Murray, you were right on the money, sentenced, guilty verdict. But then the sentencing, do you agree? What are your thoughts?
Oh, they haven't sentenced him. They'll be sentencing him in 3 weeks, okay? But you mean the remand? That overly dramatic thing of putting the cuffs on a doctor? Right. I wasn't surprised about the guilty plea.
And no bail.
Yeah, no bail.
Yes, yes.
I mean,
is it usually like that?
There's 4 criteria to issuing a bail, okay? Generally speaking, it's public safety and flight risk. I mean, he's never had a prior criminal record. He's made it on time. He's never had an outstanding bench warrant, arrest warrant. He's always been on time, making their appearances. Second, is he a public? I mean, is he going to be carrying propofol and
injecting people? Right. So he's not a risk.
I mean, I doubt if a lot of people he's going to be getting new clients. He can't practice anyway.
Right.
So
and everybody knows what he did and what he's done because all this is so public. I doubt that people are going to call him to, you know.
Right. So to set no bail, I mean, even a $1 million bail, if he has, I don't know if he has any money right now. Apparently, he's selling his story for $4 million prior to even going through this.
And I am pretty sure he got a lot from Michael Jackson too, but he's saying that he wasn't paid. Do you believe that?
You know, they didn't finalize the AEG contract, so I somewhat he may not have gotten the full amount, but you know, so I think the judge is, you know, when you're in a high celebrity profile case like this, everybody, and I'm saying everybody, including sometimes the court clerk. I mean, everybody's doing their hair. Everybody's panning to the public. The TV's there every day.
Right.
Now, the judge, I mean, Judge Pastor is usually really fair. I don't think in this call, I mean, he could have released him, but the reality is this. If he's going to sentence him to state prison, he knows he's not going to be spending so much time there. So he might as well incarcerate him for the time being.
So your opinion is that too much? Too much?
Too much. I mean, I don't think remand, but you know what? He killed somebody. Do we you know, just because you're a doctor, you have no prior criminal conviction, doesn't mean you don't belong in jail or in custody. Yes, you do, right?
Right.
In fact, sometimes the standard should even be higher because you should know better.
Exactly, exactly. So in terms of sentencing, what do you think is going to happen?
For manslaughter, which he was convicted of, it's 2, 3, 4. 2 years is low term, 3 is midterm. 4 years is high term.
Right.
I'm saying he's going to max him out because, again, because of the new law, he's not going to face state prison. He's going to be seeing county jail. Remember our friend Lindsay Lohan?
Yes.
30 days county jail. You know how many days?
Is it 4 hours? Yeah. 4 days or 4 hours?
She wasn't even 4 days. 4 hours.
4 hours,
sorry.
right? Yeah.
She didn't even get transported to women's jail. She just was probably in a booking cell because they were just doing the paperwork.
So do you think this is what's going to happen in this case? He's
yes.
not even going to spend. How much do you think? How many hours will he spend in jail?
Okay, he's going to get sentenced to state prison. That's going to be what Judge Pastor does. Now, Department of Corrections, State Corrections is going to decide. They're going to kick him out because he's not really a serious felon. He's going to go to Sheriff Baca in the LA County Jail. Sheriff Baca is going to say, oh no, this is too much. It is too much. I mean, we're releasing rapists and gang, you know, violent, really violent people. And for him, they're going to put him on an ankle bracelet. He's going to do maybe 4 months to 6 months.
4 months to 6 months on house arrest or
county jail.
County jail.
County jail, if that, Janelle. And he's going to do maybe ankle bracelet, maybe some community service, things like this.
So very light too.
Very light.
Very light. But there's something to be learned about all this. Once again, our phone lines are open. It's Talk Tuesday after all, and we are going to take your phone calls when we return on the show, plus the lesson to be learned from all this. Karina is going to be talking to us about that. Don't go away.